Why the African wild dog is always called the top hunter. With top-notch technique and intense disciplined fighting spirit, most of their predators are violent. Let's observe the following details to better understand that name. In the middle of the vast African savannah, it is not difficult to see herds of wild buffalo. Normally, when there is a herd, they will not be afraid of any danger, not even a lion. But this time, things took a surprising turn. One of the youngest children unfortunately found behind. It was quickly surrounded by dogs. At this time, the mother has returned to save her child. But the dogs were too bold. All efforts of the mother buffalo failed. It had to leave. As long as they fill their wallets, they won't spare any tricks. The mother buffalo also had to leave, leaving the poor child behind. According to the assessment of scientists, the hunting rate of the lion's master reaches 30%. With the African wild dog, this figure is up to 80%. Plus, herd behavior makes them not afraid of any opponent, even ferocious species like hyenas. A hyena was in a swamp, fell into ambush of wild dogs. It was quickly attacked. Hyenas are also very aggressive, launching attacks to protect themselves. In the end, it chose to sit still in the water to protect itself from the formidable wild dogs. A small antelope surrounded by some wild dogs is trying to take its fragile life. The truth is always cruel. 2, 3, 4. The whole pack of wild dogs quickly ambushed and ripped their prey, despite the antelope struggling. The battle took place quickly, and as a result, the antelope had to die after a dense siege of wild dogs. What is extremely bad for the antelope at this time is that its fate is threatened by two fierce and bold animals. It's unbelievable. Despite the limp, the antelope managed to swim to the other side of the river. In the water, the crocodile is playing and pushing towards it. Looking up to the shore, a pack of wild dogs is waiting. Poor bug. He is in a situation where there is little hope of finding life. Either it has to attack with the hippopotamus or save its life by the wild dogs. After a while of struggle, Bug only has one opponent in front of him. Unexpectedly, a crocodile suddenly rushed and took its life. It is known as a fearsome predator and does not spare any tricks. In their collection, they are also carnaged in their own kind. A stray dog being attacked by another pack of wild dogs is horrible. It quickly injures and kills the enemy.